Here we are now, sir. Your unit, 12P. And this is the key card access.
Yes.
Welcome to your
Okay.
one-bedroom unit.
Yes.
Welcome to your new home. So, in your living area, sir, we have here your provision for the TV. And then, this is your smart switch, sir. You will need to download the app. Admin will teach you how, sir. Then you have your closet here. Just close. Yeah. And then, it's not so bad. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And then, that's your window type condition, sir. 2 horsepower will fit. So, the headboard will be on this side, sir, facing the TV. And then, this will be your working station. Then you have here your sliding door for privacy.
Yes.
Okay.
That's what doors are.
Yes. And then we have provision for the living area, window type aircon.
Okay.
And then going here, sir, your toilet and bath.
Okay.
Then we have sensor light here, sir.
Yes.
So when there's no moving, it will automatically turn off.
Okay. Yes.
And then, sir, you need to, sir, you need to install your heater here. And you will need to serve and then go to your kitchen. We have here, sir, your feeding maintenance or this. And here's your provision for okay.
It will last.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. I know how to repair those.
Yeah. Then
Okay.
going back, sir, to your kitchen.
Yes, we are
This
going
is
back
your
to my kitchen. Yes.
provision For your range hood,
Yeah.
you will need to install your range hood and your cooktop here, sir. Then on this side, sir, your washing machine area for the laundry. Then that's the rep provision you're standing inside. Yeah.
Okay.
And then here we have your provision for your fiber to the home. The router will be placed over there, sir. Our providers are PLDT, Globe, Converge.
Okay.
Fiber to the home. And then on this side, sir, we have here your video phone, which is connected to the lobby, sir. You can view from here your expected guests.
Yeah.
And then this one is for the switches for the kitchen.
Yep. Okay.
All soft close,
Yeah.
including the drawers.
Yeah. I built my own kitchen, so I know.
Okay. Okay. And then, sir, I will be discussing you this turnover document
Yeah.
to formally endorse your unit to you, sir.
Not yet. Not yet. I'm still. I have my own checklist.
Okay, okay. Okay. So you will do this one.
What do you think?
Hanggang bilang.
Oh, yeah, right. Okay. Now it makes sense.
May smart switch na tayo, sir. Ita-download po yung app. Ita-download po yung app. Sa app po na. Yes. Just for the first testing purposes, sir, na working na siya.
Turnover daw.
Pinlike sa kanyang ulit sa unit.
Anong service provider ng internet?
Kaya DP, Globe, Converge. Fiber to the home.
Converge, okay. Okay.
It's not as bad, though, kasi turnover na sa auto ko. Still got me. See, that's the non-standard.
Amenities, sir. 11th floor.
I know. That's why I bought it.
Okay. Accessible kayo dyan.
Yeah, I know.
Basta
Basta
may
ready ka na. Bayaran ko kayo muna.
May moving parents.
Bakit ko excited ako hindi? Nag-decorate na siya eh.
Okay, nagkano na si Madam. Okay. Shelves.
Yeah, but I want the shoes to be near the door. I don't want the The new ones are coming.
Basta
Yeah, I know.
nagkakalit sa usually kung work ito sa right.
First thing,
Yeah,
yeah.
ito siya na doon.
Oh.
Okay. So, ito ngayon, then patong sa back. Because that is where you're gonna connect. Di ba?
Maglalagay ko sa
Pero mas
wire.
mataas ang signal.
Siyempre na.
Yes, po. Times 2 na.
Hindi part.
Okay.
Hindi part of
So,
the water
so,
heater niya.
Not for, I think it's for the faucet and this one.
Nag-usap tayo na.
Sir, sabi niya sa agent po.
Kasi
Okay.
Flush ka, sa iyo water. Heater po.
Okay.
Ang water heater is connected sa
Sir,
shower.
pakita ko ng puta.
Question RC.
Po.
Ang water heater is just for the sink and the shower,
Yes
right?
po. Multi-point heater.
So,
Yeah, hindi kasama dito.
Wala pong kitchen.
Oo.
So it's built-in already?
Yes po. Then sir, dito yung breaker na sa electrical.
Oh yeah, I know.
Dito.
Yeah, yung mga bagong style ng
automatic
breaker.
transfer switch po. Connected sa
Electrical
generator.
engineer.
Okay, okay. Okay, noted. Okay.
Hindi din kasi sa akin.
So, hindi ko lang okay kayo.
I bought it because I wanted to listen.
Ah,
So
okay.
now that
Ang exhaust niya.
I'm still listening in the office.
Okay, okay.
I have managers like this.
Yes, 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 yes.
Projects like this.
Okay.
Future
Where's the
plans.
alcohol?
How much
Oo,
will
nakalaban.
Okay, of course. I did the homework.
Yes.
Kaya, I'm disappointed that your admin did not do their homework by providing me a list of what is expected. For your security, we would like to inform you that upon entering, we would like for you to register you along with your guests. Ano ba naman yung mahirap ba yun? Ang dali tayo nun, di ba?
Saan? Ang exhaust ng
Dito po.
kitchen.
Dito. Dito po.
Yeah,
On
but
the
there's
range
no...
hood.
Yeah.
Since may bintana tayo, ma'am, natural ventilation tayo.
Pero wala kang maghihigop ng ano.
Ipapalagay niyo, ma'am, yung range hood.
Okay.
Provisions lang po ito sa ducting.
Okay.
So, ayan, dire-diretso yan.
Yes po.
I got you.
Yes, ma'am.
Kasi kung magluluto siya, maglalagay ko siya ng...
Okay po.
Kasi it's hard.
Ano yan? Pantay.
Magluluto ka.
May iba kasi nakaganda.
I know.
Okay.
Magluluto ka, maglalagay ka ng
Range hood.
Microwave, just
Ako magluluto, na-imagine mo ba ako nagluluto?
Well, I said,
Dine out, si sir. Dine out.
go.
So, ito may, ano ba, may major valve ka rito for water. So, any leak, pwede mo patayin dito. Sa ibang condo, nasa labas pa.
May
Okay.
access
Oh.
tayo, sir.
May gate valve ka rito, the red
Yes
one.
po.
Okay.
The red one.
Aside from your toilet, washing
It
machine.
shuts
Okay, but the main,
the main.
including the toilet.
Yes po.
Okay, hindi siya nakahiwalay yung toilet.
Separate po.
Ah, nakahiwalay siya.
Gate valve dito.
Okay, may hiwalay na cut-off. Okay, asa yung cut-off niya?
Ayun.
Ayun po.
Sila, yung red. Yung red.
Yung red. Yung red na.
I can't see it.
Ayun, sir. Yes, sir.
Ayun sila.
Here, here, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, there. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, and then the grease trap.
Yes po.
Okay.
Thank you, sir, for the appreciation.
Yes, at saka plastic na siya.
Yes po. Actually, acrylic
Dati,
siya. Yes. Stainless lang.
Stainless na.
Mas aesthetic na po ngayon.
Okay bang plastic?
Pero hindi siya mababasag eh.
Yes po. Mas heavy duty naman po yan.
So,
At unfolded to, just fold lang.
pool.
Full po. Full.
Para saan yun?
Saan po? Clean out po yan, sir.
Drain out.
Oo.
So, para pag ano?
Pag may
pag-
inyaki,
Picture tayo dyan, ha?
I have a video. This is still running. So,
Yeah, the
okay.
four of us, there's running.
Diyan po, yung fiber to the home, sir. Diyan nalagay yung router ng internet ninyo.
Okay.
Stay kayong ref.
Ano pa kaldero?
Ay, hindi ba?
Dito, dito.
Don't be sergeant.
What do you think? My stuff won't fit, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so I know. I don't think my bed will even fit.
Team sloop, okay siya. Yung race.
Yes po.
You know,
Saka sir, if ever may ganong concern, spark mo siya naman yung
Okay.
coordinate with the
Kasi
admin lang
ayaw
po.
kang uusap sa mapuputi.
Yes po. Pero nililisan naman din po namin after.
Tapos, sa switch light yung naka-on.
Kasabay po siya ng ilaw dito. Then naka-sensor light to sir. So pag nobody's moving, ma-off siya. Ito lang po yung naka-fix, yung sa toilet. Sa shower.
So, pati yung exhaust.
Kasabay po yung exhaust, yes po.
So, dyan lang may sensor?
Yes po.
Wala nang
Yeah, yes.
dapat. Invasion of privacy ba?
Yes po sir.
So ito shower curtain to, wala pang
Papalagay niya na ng glass na sir.
Kung papalagay.
Ayun po, renovation
okay.
na po siya.
Upgrade.
Yes po.
Okay.
Kaya na pa, hindi ako makakasya.
Kaya nga eh.
Hindi ka makapikot.
Nakakapaghilot.
Yes. Yes po sir.
Dapat dito hindi finger touch.
Hindi sir, regular switch na tayo. Sensor lang po yung feature natin.
Tempered naman to.
Yes po.
Okay. I need a picture of us.
Okay, later on, requesting kami ng picture with
Tara.
you.
Tara.
Yes. Okay, one. Baliktad na. 1, 2, 3, smile. One more. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome.
So we go downstairs sa aircon eh.
Okay. So, sa baba na lang, sir, i-discuss ko to. Sige po. Sige.
Yun yung IDs before going to the ground.
Admin, sir, will assist with regards to viewing the amenities.
Okay. Not today?
Today. After.
Today.
Today po.
Can we do it another day?
Yeah, it depends on you, sir.
We do it another day.
Okay.
I'm dying. Okay.
You can take the water, sir. It's for you. The water
It's
here.
okay. I have water.
So let's go back to the...
Yes, please. Thank you.
Okay. Kunin niyo po yung water sa inyo yan. Sige po. Pa-close ko na lang.
Yes. Okay.
I'll bring.
Ikaw yung closer.
Ay, hindi. Siya po yung pa-close na ng unit. Kasi
Okay. Hello. Thank you.
Si Mr. Cox, sir, will discuss the turnover process kung paano yung makuha yung susi.
Okay.
Sige po.
Okay.